Hi Strike customers, it's Lindsay here from the Strike sales team showing off one of our new products. This is the Strike Alpha Car Cradle for the Telox TE620 push to talk over cellular device. We've made a device specific charging cradle for this unit available in a wide range of installation methods. Let's take a closer look at it now. Okay, taking a look at our Telox TE620 car cradle. So we've got our Telox device here. This is going to be really popular in any area with rugged scenario. So taking a quick look inside our Strike Alpha box here, we've got our hardwired power supply, we've got our swivel mount, a dash mount, and also the charging car cradle itself. So if you're not familiar with Strike, we do have a few installation methods. We've got a do-it-yourself installation method, a DIY. That's going to come with a cigarette lighter and a power supply for the cigarette lighter charger and a windscreen mount rather. Whereas the professional install version, that's going to come with a hardwired DC-DC power supply and also our basic dash mount as well. We do have a range of heavy duty mounting accessories that will speak to the AMPS amps mounting pattern on the back here. Ram mounts, things that are seat rail mounts, clamp mounts, a whole host of different options if you have a unique scenario. So this is the car cradle that accommodates the belt clip for the Telox TE620. So we've got a cutout here for that belt clip to sit nicely in. We've got our charging contacts on the bottom. They're going to terminate at USB-A and plug into our power supply of your choice. So it's just a matter of docking the device into the cradle. That's going to get our charge, and this is form fit perfect for the Telox TE620. We've got custom jaws here that are going to keep that position nicely, whether you're using it on forklift, in vehicle, or any other scenario. This cradle is ready for order. If this is of interest to you or your business, please get in touch via the contact details below.